Today I would like to share you 3 modes that you can do on the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max, including like customize your notch or customize your iPhone 14 Pro or Pro Max lock screen. Now let's go ahead and try the first one, and you can see I can turn my entire lock screen into red color. So when I lock my device, you're gonna see something like this. So this is where you can go ahead and enable a color filter. So now let's go ahead and disable it first, and then in order to set up, you're gonna go into setting. And then from here, you're gonna go into accessibility, and under accessibility, you're gonna find display and text size. And after that, you're gonna scroll down a bit, you're gonna find color filter. There we go, where you can enable it. And then make sure you adjust the color here into like red, but you can do with the other color if you like. So let's say if I want to go into this color, and then on intensity, I can like go it like until this one, and then let me go back here. And what you're gonna do is to like do it shortcut. You're gonna go into accessibility shortcut here, and make sure you check on color filter, so where you can like disable or enable it by triple click on the lock button. So now let me do it. As you can see, now it is disabled. So when I go into my lock screen, whenever I want to enable it, I can just triple click on my lock button, just like that. And you can see we have this amazing color. It turned like to blue. The second one is what you have seen it earlier from my video. So you can see here you have like a cat or a dog is playing around your dynamic island. So it is right there. So now I can like put dog or cat, and then I can like fit them. So I can like click on this button, and then what I can do, I can like fit them or like fit with the face or something like that. You can see it is play around here, and it is the application called Apollo. So it is a new way to like play around with your dynamic island while you are using Apollo. So just go into the App Store, and then make sure you download Apollo for Reddit. And then when you open here, you're gonna go into setting, and from setting you're gonna find pixel pal, and where you can enable this button, and you're gonna see it right there. It is very simple. The last one is a game called Hit the Island. It is a game that where you can download for free on the App Store. So like I am like usually play with, because it is a new game, and I want to do it with my dynamic island. And I think I hope like there is more developer who like play around with the dynamic island. It is very awesome, a new breakthrough. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.